I'm Lina. I'm Senior Product Manager from Allofresh. So Allofresh is basically a grocery service that operating in Indonesia. We basically offer various products that meet the diverse user need in across cities in Indonesia. And basically, my role in the company itself is as a product manager that handling the shopping experience of the app and handling and ensuring that our user experience is smooth and also as enjoyable as possible, to ensure that the customer get what they want and also what they need. Mixpanel is pretty powerful product analytics tool. It helps us basically to drive user analysis by ourselves and also help us to enable insight on our users interaction and behavior to improve our conversion rates and also to improve user experience in the app. Basically, the one that enable us to be self-driven in terms of data decision making and also business strategy. Allofresh have pretty strong data-driven culture. So basically, we believe that all the assumption, all the hypotheses have to come from data. So we will validate every statement that we have before we forming a hypothesis to ensure that we have a justified data behind it. And also basically, we also often do experiment and A/B tests to ensure that we do product changes that actually impactful to our users, that actually moving the needle for our targets. We currently in the early steps to scale up in terms of the company, but I think we do have a lot of user base for now in terms of monthly active users. But in terms of the user of the Mixpanel, to able us to analyze those active users is basically diverse from product team, engineering team, data team, even marketing and growth, all use Mixpanel on a daily basis in terms to getting insight for those active user behavior and actions. Mixpanel is our first product analytics tool. Before we are using BI, Business Intelligence Platform, mainly for monitoring the business metrics. The challenge on using business intelligence is that we have a lot of dependence on data team on gathering the data. Even for forming an analysis, it's slowing down our speed on creating a data-driven decision. So that's why we are trying to have our own tools that enable us to be very independent in terms of data analysis and also enable us, for example, forming a segmentation and also cohort that not being able to be done with the BI tools. We see that Mixpanel able to give us tools for driving the user insight. Those actually enable us to also improve specific feature personalization by twice in terms of conversion, and also improve us to be able to see which segment actually impacted by the feature changes, and also what should be the next iteration for the improvement. I think those are the other addition and benefit that we get from Mixpanel. So one of the insights that we are trying to drive and also answer with Mixpanel is that we would like to check a specific user behavior after we expose them with specific feature changes, whether they behave positively, negatively, and also what is the step that the user actually taken out for those specific changes. And also we check if there is any further improvement that could be done after we expose them for those specific impacts. As a product manager, my main driver metric is basically registration to transaction. Using Mixpanel, basically I'm trying to drive down all the action that impacting this metrics and also check if where is actually the biggest drop off coming from. Based those insights, I also try to create a monitoring and alert to ensure that I get all the actionable action and also any anomaly also already recorded well for us to further improve in terms of the user experience. In terms of the Mixpanel usage, one of the goals is to set up the personalization. One of the key driver for those for us is to enable the personalization in the app. This also will help to ensure the implementation is finished on time and also help the users, for example, like the business team, also marketing team that utilizing the Mixpanel also will be really engaging in terms of using the platform. We do not have to push them to use it because basically, Mixpanel is one of the tools that will help them in terms of day-to-day basis and also process.